Okay, let's take a short review of the gas laws. This session we'll be looking at the Boyle's Law and the Charles Law. And what is Charles Law talking about? Charles Law tells us the relationship between the volume and the temperature of a gas when the pressure is kept constant. Remember, in Charles Law, the pressure of the gas is kept constant, and a system or a process where pressure is kept constant, such a process is called an isobaric process. Isobaric means constant pressure. So, Charles' law is stated at an or in an isobaric condition. And what is Charles' law saying? Charles' law states that the volume of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to the temperature when pressure is kept constant. Mathematically, Charles' law says volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature when pressure is kept constant. That means Charles' law is stated under isobaric condition. Isobaric condition. That is Charles' law. Isobaric means constant pressure. Now let's work on this law of Charles. Charles is trying to tell us that as volume increases or as temperature increases, volume increases. That is for gases. Now, if I remove this sign of proportionality, I'll bring in a constant. That means my volume will be equal to K, which is the constant, multiplied by temperature. If I make K the subject of formula, I'll have it that K is equal to the volume divided by temperature. So, in essence, Charles' law is trying to tell us that the volume of a given mass of gas divided by its temperature in Kelvin is equal to a constant. Now, we compare this with two different volumes and different temperatures at different stages. That will end up giving us that V1 divided by T1 is equal to V2 all over T2. That is Charles' law. The temperature and volume are directly proportional to each other, which means as temperature increases, volume increases, as long as the pressure is kept constant. Now let's take a look at Boyle's law. Boyle's law tells us the relationship between the pressure of a gas and its volume when the temperature is kept constant. Remember, in Charles' law, the pressure is kept constant, while in Boyle's law, the temperature is kept constant. When temperature is kept constant, such a process is called isothermal condition. Isothermal means constant temperature. So, this simply means that Boyle's law is stated under isothermal condition, while Charles' law is stated under isobaric condition. And what is Boyle's law saying? Boyle's law is telling us that as the pressure of a gas increases, its volume decreases. Remember, they are inversely proportional. So mathematically, Boyle's law says that the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume. Now, if I remove the sign of proportionality, I will have it that pressure is equal to K times 1 over V, which means that pressure is equal to K over V. Therefore, if I make K subject of formula, discover that K is equal to PV. That is by cross multiplication. By K will be equal to PV. Now, comparing two stages, we have it that P1 multiplied by V1 is equal to P2 multiplied by V2. This is Boyle's law at constant temperature. Now, we are going to discuss in the next video the kinetic theory of gases to help us to learn more about gases. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.